I'm here today with Iggy from Altech Chemicals, direct to you from the Australian Microcap Investment Conference in Melbourne. Hi Iggy.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks for being here. Can you give us a bit of company background on Altech Chemicals?
Well, Altech is an Australian company. We're listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. Our vision is to be one of the largest producers of high purity alumina. Now, just to explain to you about high purity alumina, that is a purity of 99.99%. So that's very pure alumina, and it's worth about $27,000 a ton. So it's a high value, high price item. Now, high purity alumina is used to make synthetic sapphire today, and synthetic sapphire, or the sapphire wafer, is the building blocks of the LED industry. So in order to make a LED, you need a synthetic sapphire substrate, and in order to make that substrate, you need high purity alumina. And as you know, LEDs is the lighting of the future. You can see that in our everyday lives. So it's a very exciting area of growth. It's growing at around 17% year on year. And our project is based in Johor in Malaysia. We will supply the feed material from Mecring in Western Australia, and our proposed plan of 4,500 tonnes of high purity alumina is proposed to be built in Johor. So we're in a very exciting stage of development.
It's a very impressive growth that you've got there. Can you tell us a bit about the status of the project development that you've been working on recently?
Yeah, so we're now in the debt funding stage. We have gone through about 12 months of extensive due diligence with a German bank called KfW IPEX Bank, and we're accessing debt from the bank, but it's export credit finance debt. So the idea of that is it's underwritten by the German government, because we happen to have about 60% of our plant there is German equipment. And the beauty of the debt is its long tenure and very low interest rates. Last year we also announced our offtake with Mitsubishi, so all our product for the next 10 years will be sold to Mitsubishi. So we're now looking forward to the final approval date, which is around the 14th of December. And so very exciting period for Altech.
Great. And in terms of news flow for the following few quarters, have you got anything expecting to come up that you'd like to discuss?
This week we announced the option to purchase our land in Mecring. So we're in the final stages of the Mecring development, and we've done a lot of due diligence and detailed design for our plant in Malaysia. So we are now finalising all the due diligence reports, and the submission process is well underway, and we're looking forward to the approval date around the 14th of December. Once that approval comes through, we'll be looking at the project equity funding of that, and that will be an early part of next year. So a very exciting stage, very exciting project, high value, high return project.
Well, it sounds like exciting times ahead for Altech Chemicals. All the best.